Once upon a time, in a bustling kingdom, lived a humble tailor named Thomas, who secretly loved Princess Isabella. Known for his exquisite craftsmanship, Thomas sewed beautiful garments for the royal court, each stitch a token of his unspoken affection. One day, a fierce dragon threatened the kingdom, and knights failed to defeat it. Brave Thomas, using his cleverness, crafted a magnificent cloak embedded with mirrors. Donning the cloak, he approached the dragon, whose fiery breath reflected back, blinding it and allowing Thomas to vanquish the beast. Grateful and moved by his bravery, Princess Isabella confessed her love for Thomas, and with the king's blessing, they were married, uniting the kingdom with their heartfelt bond.